In this video, we'll be going over my analytics for May 2023 on my YouTube channel, and this will include my revenue. So let's get started. If you love analytic videos, then this is definitely going to be the video for you. So for May, I had 24.9K views, 1.1K watch time hours, 321 subscribers, and an estimated revenue of $69.97. Now, all of this was much better than my previous month. So looking here, it says 22% more, 42% more, 43% more, and 43% more. So I'm pretty sure the reasoning for this is because I started uploading quite a bit. I was doing almost a video a day, and then I had some shorts as well. So I really think a big impact on this was just the amount of videos that I was posting. And this is the highest amount of revenue I've actually been able to make in 1 month so far, so that's really exciting. I'm just going to go to the last 28 days so you can see my videos here for May. So I published 3 videos there, another video here, and then I did publish shorts in between as well, like I said. So I was posting quite a bit, and my revenue, let me go over to the revenue tab, it definitely spiked up whenever I had videos, so I mean, that makes sense. So overall, I think me posting more, being a lot more active is a big reason for the increase, but unfortunately, I'm not sure I can keep up that amount of posting, but it's okay. We'll kind of see how my channel continues to go. So unfortunately, the threshold to be able to cash out is $100 or 100 USD. So I didn't make it this month, but that's okay. I'm getting closer and closer. My goal is $100 minimum every month on YouTube because that way I can at least cash out. So let's look at my highest day was $4.66, and that was May 3rd. And that's most likely because I post my income reports for KDP around the first, second, or something of the month, like usually in the beginning, and those tend to do better than most videos. So I'm guessing that's why. And then over here, I made $4.04. I'm not entirely sure why, but I did make a mid-May income report video, and that may be why, but I'd have to deep dive into that. I could be wrong. So I've been averaging over 1,000 views within the last 48 hours, which is pretty cool. At least like every time I've logged on, it seems to be over 1,000. So far, like for today, my top content is the new income report I just posted. So it's currently June 1st. So those tend to do the best. So that's why that's up there. And then how to start KDP in 2023 and then resize Amazon KDP. Let me just scroll down. For May, it's showing me my top content in this period, which was how to start KDP, and then my income report video, which is very interesting to see the how to start video is starting to gain more traction and actually getting more views than the income report, but it has been around longer. And then resize, and then this coloring book video is one of my highest viewed videos. I think it has over 30,000 so far. And then there's a short, and then the rest of my videos. So let's just move over to the next tab. But overall, I am really happy about this. I just really want YouTube to kind of, I mean, it'd be really nice to have a video like take off, like hundreds of thousands of views, and then my channel gets like 20K plus subscribers, and then I'm making hundreds, if not thousands a month. Like, that'd be really cool. But I'm super grateful for this because I know that YouTube is kind of the long game. Like, it takes a while, so I just need to be consistent and be patient. So, looking at content, I had almost 20,000 views, 209.3K impressions, a 6.4% average click-through rate, and an average view duration of 3 minutes and 15 cents. So I think this view duration is actually up, which is good potentially. But everything else is up, like impressions and views. I'm not sure if the click rate is, but 3 minutes and 15 seconds I think is better than what I have been, but I'll show my current lifetime at the end as well, so we can kind of go over that. So key moments for audio retention, it kind of goes through my different videos, retention, just ignore the photo or the part of the video that it stopped me on there. How viewers find my videos, YouTube search is my number one, which I am happy about because I want to have searchable content, and then browse features, and then the rest. So let's just move over to audience. I don't want to spend too much time on that. And I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this page here. But basically it just goes over my audience and everything like that. So let's go to the actual revenue tab and we'll go over my CPM and RPM. So again, I get 43% more revenue than than April. So that's awesome. And then scrolling down at my previous months, you can see how I've been gradually going up. Other than April, I went back down. But then in May, it went back up. So that's pretty cool. My RPM is $3.54. And then my CPM is, I'm not sure. I don't see it here. Usually it's right down here. So I'm not really sure where my CPM is. But normally my CPM is around like $9 or something like that. I might have to hit the see more and go to like the fancy advanced mode in order to see that. So my top earning content was how to start TDP. I made almost $12. And then it was my income report, which is normally what happens, which was almost $10. And then the resize, the coloring book, and then the TDP printing cost changes. So most of my money was from the watch paid ads, and my shorts made me 20 cents. So, I mean, not much, but hey, I'll take it. I'm just going to hit the see more and see if it'll tell us the CPM. I may need to actually select it, but overall, it's going better with my channel. I do think a big part of it, like I said before, was how many videos I was posting. And I was posting a lot, almost a video a day, and if not, just at least multiple every week. And I'm not sure if I can really keep that up. I did accept a full-time job, and I'm starting that soon. And once that happens, I don't think I'll be able to post as much. I'm going to try to post at least once a week. But other than that, I'm not sure I'll be able to. So, it looks like can't even click CPM. It just has it crossed out. So I'm not sure. I'm probably doing something wrong because I'm still kind of new to the YouTube analytics, but they also have been doing tons of updates. So honestly, this may just be something new. I don't know. But my RPM is $3.54. So hopefully that's helpful. Let's go back to my overview and let's change it to let's do lifetime and see what it looks like. If it's just a bunch of lines, yeah, I'm going to change it to this year. But you can see my lifetime revenue so far is a little over $300. Let's go to 2023. And I think that'll show the bars, which I like a lot. Oh, no, it still didn't show the bars. I'm not sure when it normally does. Maybe it's 2022. Or they just changed it. So normally there'd be little bars here that you can actually just click on. And I like that a lot better because then I can kind of actually see more visually like how each month was. But unfortunately, it doesn't seem like it's going to happen, even though I've been clicking on all of these. So they may have changed that as well. So let's just look at 2023. And you can just see how it's been trending upwards, which I am very happy about, especially my revenue. I mean, it's not a huge difference, but it's big enough where it's definitely making an impact. So I really hope this video was helpful. I know it was kind of like a lot of information at once and just a ton of analytics. I will say that I do offer memberships and supers, but I currently have not gotten any memberships or any supers. So I can't really do anything about that. And then I did get monetized November 7th, 2022 is the very first day I started making money on YouTube, just to give you guys another idea. So I've been monetized for about 7-8 months or so far, and this is currently where I'm at with my channel. So I really hope that this was helpful. I hope it inspires you. And my next goal is going to be making $100 a month on YouTube. And hopefully I can do that this month, but we'll kind of see how it goes. But being at, $69 and like 97 cents or something like that. Yep, $69.97. I am getting there. I'm getting close. So hopefully that all works out. Thank you so much for watching and listening to this video, and I hope that you have a great day.